Milan. So I am going to show you how to do the cutest non-sew cookie bag. So I just made this. I sewed this one, which I'm going to have on my Instagram IGTV, and I figured that I would show you how to do one that's with no sew, because at the same time we're gonna do hot glue gun, and it's just to deliver cookies. They're gonna take their cookies out of them. I don't think that anyone's gonna keep a holiday bag. They'll probably just toss it, so it's not like it needs to be super durable. So this is the end result, and I'm actually going to do the tutorial with this because I have just two different fabrics for this year. So this is a very cute velvet looking fabric, and everything that I got was 50% off at Hobby Lobby. It's Christmas, so all the Christmas decorations is 50% off. So what you're going to need is fabric of your choice. Last year, I will link a picture. I did cute little flannel, but I wanted to do something different this year. So I grabbed this, and you want to just grab anything that you want to decorate the bag with. So I have these, which normally go on Christmas trees or any craft that you want. But this was $3, and I got it for $1.50 because it's 50% off. And this is $1.99, which is 99 cents. And what I'm going to do is, this is how you want to figure out how many you need. I'm just going to use one little stem for each bag. So I already cut one off right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This would make 7 bags. So you don't really need very many of these. And then I have these left over from last year. It was a pack of like crafting things. It was definitely on Christmas, and it was from Target, and the packs were not much. I think it was like $4.99 for a pack of like 15 or something like that. So Target, I'm not sure if it's there this year. Hopefully it is, but they're all wired, so they're super simple to wrap around the bag. And then you want a little name tag, so you can write Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays and write who it's from. Okay, and last but not least, I grabbed this cute little wire tinsel. It has cute little stars, if you could see that. And I'm going to wrap this around the bag as well. So let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to need is just one piece of paper. So this is your pattern. One piece of paper folded in half, and this is how big the bag is going to be, which turns out to be something like this. Super cute. Okay, now I'm gonna zoom in to this area so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so first what you're going to want to do is fold the end of the fabric. You want to make sure that there's a fold because this is going to be your bag. Does that make sense? So you want to have it like that. Take your one piece of paper. This is how tall you're going to want your bag. So if there's an extra space right here, you want to bring it down a little bit. And all you're going to do, there's an end piece right here, so I'm just going to move that over just a tiny bit. And I am going to follow this pattern. Remember, this is folded, so there's already a back side to it.
Okay, for right here, you want to make sure you do not cut the fold.
Cut the other side. And then we just cut right where the top is. See that? Super simple. And again, it's folded. So this is your bag. You want to move this extra fabric out of the way. Okay, so you want to lay it like this, and you're going to want to glue it inside out. So this is the outer part of your fabric. You want to fold it, and then you're going to open this part, glue this all the way up. Take your glue gun and apply that glue to the very end. Oh no, I'm running into some string. And then put this right on top and secure the fabric together like that. Okay, so once this side is done, you're gonna wanna do the same thing to this side. Okay, and all you need to do next, so both sides are glued, you're just going to flip it inside out. So there may be a little bit of glue residue, just peel that off. And you have your cute little bag. Okay, so I don't have the cookies ready yet, but I'm just going to stuff it right now with a little daydreamer. So we're just gonna pretend that's cookies in there. And again, so for the cookies, I like to just put them in a Ziploc bag and then throw them in there. And you wanna grab some twine. So you have this twine. I'm just gonna get enough to wrap it around. So I'm just going to do that. I like it to be a little slouchy. So double knot it, and then I'm going to start decorating the outside. So I'm going to take one of these, cut that off, right? Cute. I kind of just like wrap this little metal piece around, and then I'll take a little green one, wrap that one around, take a little pine cone, like a little mini pine cone, throw that in there. This wire is a little bit longer, so I'm gonna wrap it all the way around. Last but not least, I am going to throw this on there, so you can just sign that. I'm gonna write my name, so that way you guys can get the full picture. Love. Some of these stars on there. So I'm just going to cut enough that wrap around the whole bag. Just gonna twist it a couple times and throw that down. And that's it. Look at how cute. So this was sewn, this one was a no-sew. They come out both still super cute. Raw edges on the top. Done. Okay, so I am done with these cute little no-sew holiday cookie bags. Let me know what you guys think. I just love doing fun little things like this for family, friends, neighbors. You know, when you have those neighbors that just drop off cookies, just throw them in a cute little bag. Or clients, you guys have clients that you want to thank. This is a cute little way to say thank you and happy holidays. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have the best holidays ever. I'll see you in the next video.